We at Innovation Central have been making biodiesel fuel and are taking a trip to a biodiesel factory on April 30th. This is sponsored by Michigan State University. We needed to choose the reactants, the wash method, and the catalyst for this process.
Ethanol is the best alcohol to create biodiesel because it has the ability to improve the environment by fighting air pollution. Ethanol is non-toxic, dissolvable in water, and easy to be found. The cost of ethanol is the same as a gallon of regular gasoline.
When making biodiesel, it is important to use the most effective oil. There are a lot of options that you can use, but the most effective is canola oil. Why? Because the canola oil ages slowly, remains liquid to low temperatures, and has the 43% energy content. It is the safest to use because it has low levels of uric acid. Canola oil is the most advertised out of all the oils, and so it makes it more available. It isn't the cheapest oil, but it is extremely efficient, and it's $5 per bottle, and is a safe, productive method of recycling canola oil.
Alright, the reactivity between sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide really isn't much different. Sodium hydroxide is more known as a more pure chemical compared to potassium. Usually potassium hydroxide will tend to cost more than sodium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide can cause methanol to boil very violently, which can be very dangerous. On the other hand, sodium hydroxide won't boil nearly as bad as potassium when added to methanol at high temperatures. Sodium hydroxide is much more better than potassium because it is cheaper, safer, and a more pure chemical.
Biodiesel, you need to water wash it in order to remove the impurities. The most effective way is the pump wash method. This method is safe, cost efficient, non-hazardous to the environment, and available to anyone because of the little equipment needed. Then you do a drying method. The method that we chose to do is the heating method. We chose this method because it is the fastest.
This video is representation of our teamwork skills and our dedication to provide efficient and environmentally safe fuel. In particular, we looked at biodiesel in the aspects of safety, cost, recycling, and availability. We broke up in groups and focused on the best oil, catalyst, alcohol, and washing methods.